So AFRM, it was one of our top focus plays, 69.68 support, resistance is 70.20. Short under 70, long over it. That was the simple plan in the pre-market. And as soon as the market opened, I saw it pushing over the clouds, and there was some flow coming in as well. Right away at 9:33, told everybody to long it. We were right around that 71 area. As soon as it pushes over 70, you long it. Simple. And you see this level of the pre-market lows holding it, you long it. You need to know what lotos you want to take. And lotos are usually 100% risk. I said long, I said 7-3 lotos moving nicely. We hit 77 and then we pulled back. That was our morning trade. Then when it bounced from 512s, I told everyone 512, 34.50 bounce longs. And from that bounce long $72, we again went to 76. So there were two trades there. There was an amateur long and there was a 512 dip long. Lotos. And understand, usually the first 10 minutes, they will move nicely. But if the stock doesn't move rest of the day, they will lose value because of the theta. So if you are always confused why the stock is moving and your lotto is not coming back, your stocks comes back, your lotto doesn't come back because you don't understand the theta and the time value of the options. That's why you're losing there. So that was our 73 calls. Depending upon where you bought, those 73 calls went from $1 all the way to $4. If you got it early, then they got 300-400%. That's how you play because you're risking all of it. Take mostly off and you leave one. Let's say you bought $1,000 worth of lot options, and remember, it's assumed 100% risk because you're trying to make 200-300%. And once they pull back, you lock most of it or half of it, and then we pull back because we're going to lose all the profit on the rest of it. Let's say 1,000 turn into 3,000, you lock 2,000 profit, you left 1,000. That 1,000 is leaving all its value because it's coming right back from where it started. It's coming back from where it started. It came back right where were we entering. Now you can enter again. They won't move the same way because theta time value is decaying. But from this call long, that 73 call again went to $3. Again, you can double or triple your money. And then of course, you can always roll further, but they will go to zero. The best way to trade this was get the closer out of money, lock to 300%, dip, maybe get back in the same one you traded in the morning, and then lock that one as well. Once we break the 512s, you get out. This is where AFRM broke the 512. The trade was done. Big win AFRM today. You just have to follow the system. Net was another huge all-day winner. Net was breaking 52-week highs. The game plan on net was pretty simple. We were bullish bias to long if 153 holds. And you can see that when net pushed higher, I said pull back long watch. Then I told everyone once we break pre-market highs, we go higher. And it broke and I said hold, hold, hold. I gave the target 167.50 and we met our 167.50, and you do not cut as long as 512 holds. And it went on to go to 170-138. This is where you cut. This was 162.50 calls when I talked about the longs. It was $1.50 entry and it went on to go to the $8. So you're putting in $1,500, you're easily going to make 5-6 grand if you are patient. So that's another easy 300% lotto trade on a net. So that's why a lot of Friday people are making 5-6 figures. But again, you will have losers. If you are trying to make that 5-6 grand, means you're willing to lose that $1,000. It depends on your account. But if you're a small account, if you have one lotto, $200, you still make $800. But you will lose that 200s because lotto options that's how they are. But a beautiful trade on the shares. You don't really need to trade the options. You buy it 158, you put your stops $3 down, you make $10. So net was a beautiful winner.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.